Question 51. How do you handle performance bottlenecks in Azure DevOps pipelines? I use profiling tools to identify performance bottlenecks in pipelines, optimize code, and streamline build processes. By analyzing resource utilization, optimizing dependencies, and parallelizing tasks, I can eliminate bottlenecks and improve pipeline performance. Question 52. Describe a situation where you had to collaborate with cross-functional teams in Azure DevOps projects. I collaborated with development, QA, and operations teams to streamline CI/CD pipelines, resolve deployment issues, and automate testing processes. By fostering communication and sharing knowledge across teams, we achieved faster delivery cycles and improved overall project efficiency. Question 53. How do you ensure code quality and maintainability in Azure DevOps projects? I enforce code reviews, static code analysis, and code quality metrics in Azure DevOps pipelines to ensure high standards of code quality and maintainability. By addressing code smells, refactoring code, and following coding best practices, I enhance project sustainability. Question 54. How would you set up a CI/CD pipeline in Azure DevOps for a .NET Core application? To set up a CI/CD pipeline in Azure DevOps for a .NET Core app, I would create a new pipeline, select the source repository, configure the build pipeline with tasks like restoring NuGet packages, building the solution, running tests, and then configure the release pipeline to deploy the app to Azure. Question 55. Can you explain the difference between Azure DevOps and Azure? Azure is a cloud computing service, while Azure DevOps is a set of development tools. Azure provides infrastructure services, platform services, and software services, while Azure DevOps provides tools for collaboration, code repositories, build and release automation, and project management. Question 56. How would you troubleshoot a failed deployment in Azure DevOps? If a deployment fails in Azure DevOps, I would check the logs and error messages to identify the issue. I would then review the pipeline configuration, verify permissions, check for network connectivity issues, and rerun the deployment after resolving the problem. Question 57. What experience do you have with infrastructure as code, IAC, tools in Azure DevOps? I have experience with tools like Azure Resource Manager, ARM templates, and Terraform for defining and managing infrastructure in Azure. I have used IAC to automate the provisioning and configuration of resources, ensuring consistency and repeatability. Question 58. Can you explain the concept of blue-green deployments in Azure DevOps? Blue-green deployments involve maintaining two identical environments, one active blue and one inactive green. When a new version is deployed to the green environment, traffic is switched from blue to green, allowing for zero downtime deployments and easy rollback if issues arise. Question 59. How would you automate the testing of a web application using Azure DevOps? I would automate testing in Azure DevOps by configuring tasks in the build pipeline to run unit tests, integration tests, and UI tests using tools like Selenium. I would also integrate test automation scripts with the deployment pipeline to ensure quality at every stage. Question 60. What is your experience with Docker containers in Azure DevOps? I have experience using Docker containers in Azure DevOps to create reproducible environments for applications. I have built Docker images, pushed them to container registries, and deployed them to Kubernetes clusters for scalable and consistent application deployment. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.